Hi guys, welcome back. My name's Howard. This is my home machine shop. So this is a little how-to video on how to tap a small hole. And I'm back working on the little tool post for the mini lathe. And I've already drilled the hole that I'm going to tap. You can see I've already tapped some of them. This is the screw hole to hold your tool tight. Okay, so this is more for beginners. You know, you old guys know how to do this, but I got my shop made tap follower up in here, and it's loaded. I believe it is. Yep, it's loaded. Got the tap started in there, and hopefully you can see me go a couple turns, back it up, break the chip. So you want to break the chip off so you don't break the tiny tap. Okay, smaller the tap, the more you want to break the chip probably. And also I used a number drill to drill the hole. This tap is a 1024 and it calls for a number 25 drill, but I went just a little bit bigger because it was tapping kind of hard. And the harder the material, the more so you have to compensate for that. So with stainless steel, you want to probably go to pretty much the top of the tolerance on your drills. I'm just going to raise it up, load that follower again so it follows it in there, keeps it nice and straight. And you can see I keep breaking it. The deeper I go, the more I break it, because I don't want to break that little tap, because then it pretty much, if you can't get the tap back out, you've ruined the piece. I just keep working it like that, have a little bit of patience. You always want to put a liberal amount of cutting fluid on it, or tapping fluid, and just take your time and keep backing it up, turn it, back it up, turn it, back it up, turn it, just like that. And there you go. Voila. Tap tool without a broken tap. I hate breaking taps, even though my new set has a lifetime guarantee. And I'm doing this on my antique Van Norman mill, which it has a manual up and down. No DRO to lay, to find my holes. I just laid them out with scribe lines and center punch marks. And there you go, that's a tapped hole. I'll take you clear through the... I got one more hole to do, and it's straight across from this one. So I'm going to go back up to where I can see the point of my follower. And this is a way to do this if you don't have a DRO, which I can't afford that kind of stuff. And this machine is not equipped with one. It's a 1957 Van Norman. No automatic up and down. So you're already in line that way, this way. So let's go over to the mark. And you just use your micrometer to find that center punch.